Hello developers, welcome back to my channel Coding with Anu. Now let's talk about JavaScript. In simple terms, JavaScript is the language of web. That is, it's make your favorite website interactive and dynamic. In a nutshell, JavaScript allow you to add functionality, manipulate the content and respond to user actions on your web pages. Before you jump into the Hello World program, make sure you have installed Node.js on your system. If you haven't done that, check out our previous video how to install Node.js. It's a quick and easy process. In Node.js, you can run a JavaScript code outside the browser, that is directly on your system. And one more thing, make sure you have a code editor installed. I am using Visual Studio Code, but you can choose any code editor that you are comfortable with. Now let's write some code. In the programming world, it's a tradition to start with a simple message, and we call it Hello World. Our goal is to make the computer display this friendly greeting on screen. Now let's break down the steps. First, you have to create a JavaScript file. Here I'm using hello.js and save the hello.js file in my documents. I have created JS folder. Inside the JS folder, I'm save my file. We are going to use a function called console.log. This function allows us to communicate with our computer and ask it to display something for us. Inside the console.log function, we put the message we want to show. In this case, our message is hello world. Console.log is a function in JavaScript that allow you to print the message or a value to a place called the console within a parenthesis. The console is like a virtual notepad where your program can communicate with you. The message you want to print is enclosed in a double quotation marks. Next step, open your terminal, navigate to the folder where your file is located using cd command. My location is document folder. And next step is we have to run our code. Type Node.js followed by the name of our file, that is hello.js. Then hit enter. That's it. We have just executed our first JavaScript program using Node.js. See, hello world message is displayed in terminal. That's all about our video. Remember, the journey of thousands of lines of code begins with a single hello world. Happy coding. Stay tuned for more JavaScript tutorials. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Thank you.